Welcome. What are you going to do now?
So now you gotta flush it because it's been pretty dirty and it stayed a little longer than it should. So we're gonna put a little gas in there.
Oh, gas you're using to flush it?
Yeah. So the gas takes the muck out, and then it comes down to the bottom.
So you're going to go back to the same place where you took up the oil?
Right. We're gonna go back to the bottom where we drained it and the drain plug, so everything comes out.
Okay, let me take.
Now we see it gets cleaner. You know, it's just getting clearer. Right. So it's getting clearer.
It's not like a dark coffee no more.
Right, that's not the coffee anymore. This is like Sprite. This is Sprite now. We had enough of coffee,
Right?
so we're taking Sprite. So it's almost like Dasani water.
Are you going to put more or that's it?
No, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put a little oil in there so it helps flush out the gas.
Okay.
So when it comes out, it will become in the color of oil.
Oh.
But now we don't have to close it. We have to lock the button.
Okay. So when you pour it, what happens? You have to close the bottom still?
After it drains out.
Oh, so while you are pouring the oil, you leave
Comes
it open.
so that it could come straight
Come
out.
down straight out,
Right,
okay.
yeah. It's like Epsom salt.
Okay, let me see the oil you put.
530.
Okay. That's the oil here, right?
Right, that's the oil there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's the oil. And most places they don't really do it like that. You know, they take out the thing, they drain it out. So the oil itself would look like that.
Wow.
Because we have all the muck, you know, flushed out.
A little bit more coming. You can see it's still have a little
Right.
darker area
Yeah.
there.
Let me touch it. Feel the oil. And then, even when the engine starts, it sounds different, you know.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it sounds different. It sounds like a baby want milk, you know. Not like a grown adult that little food.
Okay, I want to see where it's really coming from. Can you, now you are going to cover it? Okay, let's see where it's coming from. And what's the next step?
The next step is to tighten it. Just tighten and secure. So it's closed.
And then is the filter next?
Yeah, the filter next.
So now you're going to remove the filter.
What I'm going to fold up the new filters as I remove, then I could place. So my hand don't have to do too much. That's a new filter. So the new filter, what we normally do is we put a little oil in there. It's like to prime it. So we put a little oil, so because when it comes out with oil. So we put a little oil, so when you start, it's already have to pull.
So you're removing the filter. You can. There's a filter right there, right?
That's the filter there.
Wait, but I need to see where you're getting it from.
Okay, pull it.
So the filter is underneath there.
It's underneath there.
You can kind of see all of that. Filter right there. And you're going to replace it.
Okay, so now I'm going back in the
So you have to hand tighten it first.
yeah.
And the filter is hot.
Yeah, like you just return on the normally with oil change. You don't have to turn it.
And look, the tool. These are all the tools you use.
Yeah. Well, primarily, it would be just this is the filter tool, and this is the one for the drain plug. Yeah, the rest is just like the clips and blah blah blah.
Thanks for watching.